Because I love long hair, I love short hair too, but I prefer longer hair because I don't have to regret that I cut it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, and in this video I'm going to share my thoughts on L'Oreal Dream Length No Haircut Cream. So without further ado, let's get started. So you have to pay 499 rupees for this and you get 200 ml of product. It comes in this kind of squeezy bottle. You can get it on Amazon, Myntra, Nykaa, I think a lot of other places as well. So I will put the links for few places that you can go and buy if you want to buy it. It comes in this kind of bottle and this is the squeezy bottle as I said, and you need to squeeze out the product in hand and you can lock the what do you call this hole using this. So if you do like this, it won't come out. If you can see, I have used this much, so it's little hard sometimes to get out the product. I mean, I have to press really hard and I have to wait for the product to come at the bottom so that I can get out the product. So sometimes it's really hard and annoying for me, to be honest. It has castor oil, which we all know is really good for hair growth, and it's really good for hair simulation and for a healthy hair. And then it also has a perfume which is little harsh. I think it's little too much and some people might get headache from this. It has a thick creamy like consistency, not very thick and not very oily kind of consistency, but it's a cream. That's what I'm saying. It's quite strong. The fragrance is quite strong. It's not too bad, but it's strong. So basically I got my hair treated and I cut my hair as well 3 to 4 months back, and I have been using it since then because I regretted that I cut my hair, as I said. And then there was a chemical treatment as well, so my hair was really dry and really dead. It looked like almost dead to me. So I got this product and I was using it like once a week because I wash my hair once a week. And sometimes if my hair is very tangled, I use this first on my, like, dampen my hair a little and then use this product and then detangle my hair. So it works that way as well. I don't see any frizz in my hair. Okay, my hair is looking more healthier in the tip, because general tip are the place which gets frizzy and which gets more frizzy and more dead once it's growing out, right? So it gets like pointy and not so thick in the bottom, but I do not feel that thing right now. My tips are still looking healthy. I do not need to trim my hair so far, if you can see. And it's been September, October, 4 to 5 months, I would say. So I think this is working and I do not see very frizzy ends. I do not see very what do you call that, split ends in my hair, and I also do not see very pointy tip, which is mostly problem with thin hairs. And also I do not have very thick hair, so generally I can see those kind of ends after some time of cutting my hair, but I do not see it right now. So maybe this product is really working. What I do is I do not apply it on its own. I just apply it first after washing my hair. My hair is damp and everything, so I use it, and then I use some oil based serum as well, and they together work perfect and they make my hair manageable. But just alone this product is not enough for me. I just use it with other serum and it works really great. And the lengthening the hair and keeping the frizz, I mean keeping the ends really nice and hydrated and not avoid the damage, all of those things I really like about this. I think that is working really nice on my hair. I do not see any split ends. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this product and how it has worked for you. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.